Grade 9 Geography, Grade 9 Civic Education, first lesson, Social Security. Grade 9 Civic Education, first lesson, Social Security. Under this topic, we discuss about the society. We discuss about the society. Working together is a basic feature that can be seen in society. සමාජයක දකින්න පුළුවන් ලක්ෂණේ මේකට ජීවත් වෙන එක නේද? Then we discuss about the several factors. Several factors contribute to social security. Citizen in society need to be well educated, need to be self-disciplined, respecting others. These are the things. These are the factors contribute to social security. We discuss about them also. Individual and society, we discuss about them also. Individual, here family, then society. Family is the basic unit in a society. Society is a collection of several families. Society is a collection of several families. So family is the basic unit. Family is the basic unit of a society. We discuss about them also. Then we discuss about the society of the modern day are very complex. Each society has its own custom, rules and regulation, acceptance, ethics, agreements, traditions. We discuss about them also. Basic features of a society. Then we discuss about basic features of a society. A group of people living in certain geographical region, working in collaboration to achieve their various needs. These are the basic features of a society. Then we discuss about they establish various institutions, societies, organizations. Society එකක ඉන්න අය විවිධ සමාජ ආයතන, සංවිධාන, සමිති සමාගම් පිටවගෙන තියෙනවා. Society is a collection of individual and organizations. Therefore, we can say, what is the society? Society is a collection of individuals and organizations. පුජ්‍යලයන්ගේ එකතුවක් සහ සමාජ සංවිධාන වල එකතුවක් කියලා අපිට society එක හඳුන්වන්න පුළුවන්. So society is a collection of individuals and organizations. Social security. Then what is the social security? Society must ensure protection and society for a person to live free from fear, safeguarding one's interest. It can be introduced as a social security. BN second තොරව ජීවත් වෙන්න පුළුවන් නම් එතන සමාජ සුරක්ෂිතභාවය තියෙනවා. Today we have to discuss about the institution that affect the social security. Today topic you write down institutions that affect the social security. සමාජ සුරක්ෂිතතාවයට බලපාන ආයතන. Institutions that affect social security. What are the institutions? ඔයගලන්ට ඉස්සෙල්ලාම ආරක්ෂාව ලැබෙන්නේ කොහෙන්ද? කොහෙන්ද වැඩිම? family. ඊගාවට ගෙදරට අමතරව ඔයගොල්ලෝ වැඩිපුරම ඉන්න තැන තමයි ස්කූල් එක. පාසලටත් වඩා නිවසටත් වඩා සමහරවිට ආරක්ෂාව ස්කූල් එකේ ඉන්නකොට තියෙනවානේ. ඒ මොකද දන්නවද ඔයගොල්ලෝ ටයිම් ටේබල් එකකටනේ වැඩ කරන්නේ. නීති රීති වලට යටත්ව ඉන්නේ. එතකොට මේ ෆැමිලි එකේ තියෙන සමහර අවස්ථාවල තියෙන අනාරක්ෂිත බවවත් පාසලේ නේ. ළමයින්ට හුඟ වෙලාවට අනතුරු වෙනකොට ගෙදෙද්දි තමයි අනතුරු වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. දෙමව්පිය බාරේ ඉන්නකොට තමයි අනතුරු වෙලා තියෙන්නේ ඉස්කෝලේට වඩා. In a family, school, religious institutions, social institutions. institution that affect the school security, family social security, සමාජ සුරක්ෂිතතාවයට දායක වන ආයතන, family, school, religious institution, social institutions. Okay, now you write down the topic. You write down the topic. In any society, there are a number of institutions that contribute to establishment of the social security. There are various types of institutions that contribute to social security. Example, family, school, religious institution, social institutions. Okay, you write down. Put this stomach and write down. Family, school, religious institution, social institutions. These are the institutions that affect the social security. Firstly, we are going to discuss about the family. Among these institutions, we are going to discuss about the family. Subtopic, you write down family. Family. You write down the topic family. Family.
Madam.
Yes.
Madam, Arage madam, අවසානයේ
ලියගන්න බැරි වුණාද?
ඔව් වැඩ චුට්ටක් දාන්නකෝ.
ආයින්න.
Finished, madam.
Family. You write down the topic family. Family.
मैडम कलिंग एक पढ़ता था हरी मैडम
පුතේ user name එකට number එක දාලා නැති අය number එක දාලා join වෙන්න. user name එකට දෙව්මි, චමෝද්, හිරුනි user name එක දාලා number එක දාලා නැහැ, registration number එක දාලා නැහැ. Family. You write down the topic family. Then we are going to discuss about the role played by family towards social security. The role played by family towards the social security. සමාජ සුරක්ෂිතතාවයක් ඇති කරන්න පවුල මොනවාද කරන කාර්යයන් කියලා තමයි අපි discuss කරන්නේ. Now you know about the family. In grade 7 also you learn about the family. What is the family? There are two types of family. You can see here. There are two
Nuclear
types
family and extended family.
Yes, here nuclear. This one nuclear family. Nuclear family. Father, mother and children living in the same residence. It is called nuclear family. Father, mother and children living in the same residence, it is called as nuclear family. Here, what is the family?
The family consists of mother, father, children, and paternal relatives and maternal relatives live in the same residence.
Yes, this is called as extended family. This family is called as extended family. Father, mother, children, and their paternal or maternal relative. Paternal P through තාත්තගේ නෑදෑයෝ නම් මේ දෙන්න grandfather grandmother මේකේ විදිහට ඒගොල්ලෝ paternal relatives. අම්මගේ නෑදෑයෝ නම් maternal relatives. or father, mother, children, and their paternal or maternal relatives live in same residence. It is called as extended family. Or we can say 2 or more generation. දැන් මේ අම්මා තාත්තා කියන්නේ generation කීයක්ද බලන්න අම්මා තාත්තා දරුවෝ මේකේ generation කීයක්ද
2 generations.
2 generation මේකේ බලන්න father,
Three
mother, children, grandfather, grandmother. 3 generation නේද 3 or more generation living in the same residence, it is called as extended family. පරම්පරා 3 හෝ ඊට වැඩියෙන් එක ගෙදරක ජීවත් වෙනවා නම් ඒක extended family එක. You have his I think you have study about about these 2 kind of family. Accordingly, family provide a special task for the establishment of social security. The basic training of adjusting an individual to the society is given by the family. පවුලෙන් තමයි පුතේ ඉස්සෙල්ලාම සමාජයට හුරු කරවන්නේ. සමාජයට අනුව හැඩගස්සන්නේ පවුල මගින්. Discipline and accepted behaviors, activities, roles, model, and attitudes among members in the family help create a responsible individual. ඔන්න දැන් මේ පවුලේ ඉන්න අයගේ මෙන්න මෙයාගේ මෙයා සමාජයේ හැසිරෙන හැටි මේ දරුවෝ දෙන්න සමාජයේ හැසිරෙන හැටි තීරණය වෙනවා මොකක් අනුවද මේ දරුවා සමාජයේ ජීවත් වෙන හැටි තීරණය වෙනවා father mother ගේ ආකල්ප නේද attitudes බලපානවද discipline grandfather grandmother ගේ discipline attitudes බලපානවද
Yes.
Yes. Accepted behaviors මේගොල්ලෝ හරි කියලා පිළිඅරගෙන තියෙන හැසිරීම් රටා මේ අනුකරණය කරනවා accepted behaviors activities මේගොල්ලෝ ක්‍රියා කරන හැටි activities role model මේගොල්ලන්ගෙන් දකින ආදර්ශය role model attitudes among members in the family help create a responsible individual වගකීම් සහිත පුද්ගලයෙක් බවට මේ දරුවෝ පත් කරන්න මේ පවුලේ ඉන්න අයගේ ඒ මොනවාද බලපාන්නේ discipline accepted behaviors activities role models attitudes මේවා තමයි හේතු වෙන්නේ ඔන්න to create a responsible individual. The responsibility of a family is to provide a disciplined and cultured individual to the society. මේ එනිසා පවුලේ responsibility එක තමයි මොකද්ද? The responsibility of a family is to provide a disciplined individual. විනයගරුක පුද්ගලයෙක් සමාජයට දය දෙන්නේ පවුල මගින්. නේද? Cultured individual. තමන්ගේ සංස්කෘතියට අනුව හැඩගැහුණු කෙනෙක් දෙන්නේ පවුල මගින් තමයි. Nutrition, security, love, compassion, mercy, kindness, model received by an individual as a member of a family help produce confidence, balance individual to the society. ඔන්න දැන් පවුලෙන් ඔයාලට ලැබෙන දේවල් මතක් කරගන්න. What are the things that you receive from your family? What are the things?
Culture.
Yes. Nutrition.
Right.
Main thing nutrition पोषण करना ने देमापियों को लांग.
Protection.
Yes. Nutrition, protection. Yes.
Love and affection.
Love and
When
affection.
affection. Yes. आदरे करुणा वाणी वारे में लबेनवाने.
Receiving love.
Mercy, kindness,
Education.
education. Yes. Model. आदर्शक देनवाने दम्माई तात्ता है. Model लेकर कोनवाने दे देन. Model received by an individual as a member of a family help produce confidence, balance individual. Confidence එකක් තියෙන. ආත්ම විශ්වාසයක් තියෙන. confident එකක් තියෙන. සමපර පුජ්‍යලෙක් සමාජයට දායක කරන්න ඔන්න පුතේ මේ පවුලෙන් දෙන nutrition, security, love, compassion, mercy, kindness, education මේවා හේතු වෙනවා. This ensure protection and security too. It ensure protection and security too. මේ ඔක්කොමත් එක්ක ආරක්ෂාව සහතික වෙනව නේද ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ? ආරක්ෂාව සහතික වෙනවා. In living together as a member of a family, common feeling are developed and they directly contribute to the social security too. ඔන්න දැන් මේ විදිහට පවුලක ජීවත් වෙනකොට මොකද වෙන්නේ? This ensures protection and security. ආදරේ මේ ආරක්ෂාව ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ තහවුරු වෙනවා. In living together as a member of a family. පවුලේ සමාජිකයෙක් විදිහට එකට ඉන්නකොට common feelings are developed and they directly to contribute to the social security too. පොදු හැඟීම එනවා. තනි තනි කියන ආත්මාර්ථය නෙවෙයි. common feeling එකක් එනවා. පවුලක් විදිහට දරුවෝ සහෝදර සහෝදරියෝ එකට ජීවත් වෙනකොට common feeling එකක් එනවා. මේ common feeling එකම හේතු වෙනවා social security එකට. අපි කියන හැඟීම දරුවන්ට එනවා පවුල තුලින්. Okay, put his stomach and write down.
Madam, මොක අඳින්න ඕනේද?
පස්සේ ඇඳගන්න. පොත ලස්සන වෙන්න පස්සේ ඇඳගන්න පිටුව. ඉන්නේ කවුද කියලා නේද? පස්සේ අඳිමුනේ දැන් අඳින්න ඕනේ නෑ නේද? No, put his stomach and I will tell you to draw it. Firstly, you write down. There are two types of families. There are two types of families. There are two types of families. Did you write? There are two types of families. What are the two types of families?
Nuclear family and extended family.
Nuclear family and extended family. Nuclear family and extended family. Nuclear family and extended family. Did you write?
Yes, madam.
Yes, madam.
English madam.
And now you draw this one. Draw this one and write here nuclear family. Here extended family. Now you draw.
Madam,
Yes.
madam, අර මේක චුට්ටක් උඩට කරන්න පුළුවන්ද?
කොයිකද?
Nuclear family.
Draw and put the number here. This one number 1 nuclear, number 2 extended. A dog, cat, teddy bear ඔකට අයිති නෑ. Extended family එකට අයිති නෑ ඒගොල්ලන්.
Finish, madam.
Okay. Discipline.
Madam,
Yes.
madam ඇඳ ගන්න බැරි වුණා.
Discipline. Okay. Draw.
madam මේක අලව ගන්නද?
පස්සේ අඳ ගන්න පුළුවන් නේ. ඔයා කැමති එකක් හිතලා අඳි.
Okay madam.
Discipline, accepted behavior, activities, role model. Role model. Role models. And attitudes. And attitudes among members in the family. among members in the family help among members of the family help create a responsible individual. Responsible individual. Responsible individual. Individual, what is the meaning individual? Individual? පුද්ගලයා. පුද්ගලයා. Responsible individual වගකීම් සහිත පුද්ගලයා. Responsible individual. Have you finished?
Finishing.
If you have difficult words, you ask. Nutrition security.
මැඩම් කලින් එකට සුට්ටක් දාන්නද?
හරි, nutrition security.
Finish, madam.
ඒකට ඉස්ස වෙන පොයින්ට් එකක්ද?
Next point.
Teacher, what is meant by mercy?
දයාව. දයාව.
Okay.
Received by an individual as a member of a family as a member of a family help produce confidence. Confident, confidence, you write down here, confidence, balance, balance, balance. Individual to the society. Individual to the society. Nutrition, security, love, compassion, mercy, kindness, and model received by an individual as a member of a family help produce confidence, balance individual to the society. පවුලෙන් ලැබෙන මේ පෝෂණය, ආරක්ෂාව, ආදරය, කරුණාව මේවත් එක්ක සමාජයට විශ්වාසයක් තියෙන, confidence එකක් තියෙන සම්බර පුජ්‍යලයේ බිහි කරනවා. So family is very important in institution. According to your family background, your behavior also change. දැන් පුතේ අපි සමාජ විවිධ පුජ්‍යලයෝ දකිනවා, විවිධ දරුවෝ දකිනවා නේද? ශිෂ්‍යයෝ දැන් බලන්න ඕගොල්ලෝ පන්ති කාමරේ එකම විදිය නැහැ. දැන් ඒවට හේතු වෙනවා මේ family background එක. පවුලේදී ළමයාට ලැබෙන පෝෂණය, ආරක්ෂාව, ආදරේ මේ ඔක්කොම තමයි ළමයා සමාජයේ පෙන්නන්නේ. එතකොට එයා වැඩිහිටියෙක් වුණාම සමාජයේ හැසිරෙද්දී මේ confidence, balance individual වෙන්න මොකද වෙන්නේ? සම්බර පුජ්‍යලයක් වෙන්න මේ දේවල් හේතු වෙනවා. So family is the basic social institution as well as it is very important social institution. Did you write?
Yes, madam.
Madam, what is meant by compassion?
එතනත් දයාව, කරුණාව වගේ අදහසක්. කරුණාව, nutrition පෝෂණය, හරිද? security ආරක්ෂාව, love ආදරය, compassion දයාව. compassion දයාව, mercy කියන්නේ පුතේ කරුණාව, දයාව මිශ්‍ර වුණු හැඟීමක්, කරුණාව. compassion, mercy කියන්නේ ඒ දයාව, දයාබර බව කියන එක තමයි. Models